Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I have made a delicious pistachio pudding bread. I am about to cut into it to show you all what it looks like on the inside, but first, let me show you how to make it. So I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out later. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 stick of softened butter with 3/4 of a cup of sugar. All right, I'm going to beat this together until it's creamy. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 box of instant pistachio pudding, and then I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of milk. This has a beautiful green color. Perfect for spring. But now I'm going to place it in a loaf pan. All right, so while the bread is cooling, I'm going to make the glaze to go over top. Just 1 cup of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, it's looking like I need a little bit more milk. There we go. All right, now I've got some pistachios. Now these are in the shell, so I'm going to have to take them out of the shell and then I'm going to chop them up a little. All right, so my bread has cooled. I'm just going to flip it out onto my board here. And now it is the moment that I cut into this delicious bread. Oh. This is so moist and tender. If you love pistachio, then you're going to want to try this bread. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.